Insect resistance management research has been a core part of our research effort in insect control at Pioneer for many years. And so we have always had a dedicated set of scientists looking at insect resistance management for just about as long as we've been working with traits. These research efforts and the information that we learn through this research allows us to try to develop improved insect resistance management plans for our growers. And I think the AcreMax program is a great example of how we can take that information that we learn, increase knowledge about the biological parameters or the biology of an insect like western corn rootworm, how they interact with the trait and how our trait is expressed in corn roots for plant protection, and then use that information to populate computer simulation models to help us evaluate what the most effective refuge deployment strategies are for that insect. And so I think the AcreMax program, or integrated refuge products, are a result of a lot of that hard work to help characterize the target pest and the way that our traits work. Well, one of the things we know is that if we use this one single control tactic time and time and time again, that we can have the potential to set up a scenario where resistance would develop rapidly. And so one of the key tenets of integrated pest management then is to use multiple tactics in the control of a particular pest. So we think of doing things like rotating to a non-host crop, for example, things like switching modes of action or using alternate control methods, using cultural practices. There's a number of things that have been outlined over the years in integrated pest management programs that can be really helpful to us to implement in multiple tools for the control of an insect pest to make sure that we're doing everything within our power to delay the development of resistance.